A happy Women's Month, a happy Women's Day to all my ladies out there. Angazi wena which title you like or you resonate with or you feel speaks more to you. But yeah, it is not in the title if we do not fully understand and embody what these titles mean. If uthi inkosazana, are you carrying yourself like inkosazana? Do you understand? If uyindlovukazi, if you step into a room, are you exuding that energy yendlovukazi? We understand the values, we understand the characteristics of inzalabantu. If you are saying wena you resonate with inzalabantu. Inzalabantu is about nation building, it's about being a homemaker, not only to your home, it's about being a bearers of life, but not only limited to giving birth. Ngaba a woman or isizwe who cares about isizwe, who is concerned about society and what happens to every child and all children around them, who is concerned about empowering other women, who is concerned about having an empowered or living legacy yakhe ukuthi ashiye impact yokuthi beka empower abantu. You know, Imbokodo, go and read up on the story Sembokodo. It is not about siyobegezela no wrong. No, it's being misunderstood. Yes, kufanele sibe strong as women. There are situations and times that call for us to begezela and be strong, but it is about discernment and understanding when to begezela, where to begezela, how, to what extent, to what level, ama-boundaries. Ngoba empilweni angeke sesithi ukubegezela kufuneki. There are things ekufanele sizibekezelele sisezilunge. It's about ekubekezeleni kwalokho kusuke kwenzakalani and what it is leyo esithi bekezelele. We can never say ngeke sibekezele when it comes to education or our children. So it depends. Go and understand ukuthi ukuze kufike kube nale gama lembokodo kwakwenzakalani, and you will maybe have a better understanding of the word, and you can be proud and embody the title better. You know, mauti you are a Proverbs 31 woman, go and understand ukuthi uba a woman enjani, eyenzani, makwenze njani. We have to pray for these women's months and these women's days to mean something deeper. And I wish that, you know, we have a healing-centered one this year where we are able to reflect and we pray for a discernment, because masikwazi to discern, I will know as a woman when it is time to speak, when it is time to keep quiet, what battles to fight and what battles not to fight. I will know when to move and what kind and types of moves to make. I will know makufanele ngihlale and ngihlala kanjani. Is it rest, self-care, or ngihlala because I am in a season of learning and observing, because kuhlala kuyahluka. So sicela a Women's Month where we are intentional and we are fearless about our healing. Ngoba it is in our healing that we heal our grandmothers. It's a womb, this thing. We are linked and connected to the wombs of our grandmothers. If I heal my lineage of women. And if I heal, I'm giving room for my mother to heal, for my sisters to heal, siblings to heal. If I am a healing woman who is intentional about it, even a ripple effect, even friends or people I interact with who are women, that thing iyasulela if you are intentional about it. And if we do that, we can have healed children. Therefore my daughter can heal, and therefore isizwe or the next generation of women can be healed. And if we are healed, Tina, we will interact better and differently to our male counterparts. I always say this, we are here to complement each other and not to compete with each other as men. May we be women who are comfortable and who are okay and content being feminine. May we not seek to be violent and aggressive and masculine. It is not how we are created. We are naturals. I so wish that we can heal and understand the power and the impact that being feminine has, and how much it is needed in this society and in these times. We need gentler women, we need softer power, we need softer love, we need softer and gentler leadership. We are not saying the males must be that, but we are saying, as a woman, ungafiki ube this very masculine and brutal and aggressive leader, but be a gentler leader, a firm but gentle. Lead, but lead with love. Lead in a way that it has caring and nurturing parity. If only we can understand that we are a special creation, we are a beautiful expression of God, a softer and a gentler expression of God, and we have to operate and be okay and understand our office and stick and stay there, sihlale in our role. We cannot shift from our role and become something that God cannot even identify. Because we are competing and we are failing to realize that we are here to complement. And Tina, we are naturals. Happy Women's Day. Have a healing-centered one. Be gentle, be feminine, be love, be woman.